As you can see, we are in an apple orchard. Apple orchard. This is what an apple blossom look like. This is a Granny Smith. This is how they prune it. Cut down the buds and throw it on the ground. It's a very big orchard. Lots of Granny Smith. Over here you can see the fuges. You can see the buds that come up, made apples. Tree has been pollinated by bees. Just trying to see if I can see a bees pollinating on Granny Smiths. Lots of bees. Oh gosh, and flew away. Granny Smiths blooming, blossom, beautiful. Okay, see a bees. Yes, a bee pollinating. See it? Yeah, that's bees being pollinated. This is like the interval for the archer where the tractor runs. Here's a letter and loppers. Not used. That's a lopper used for pruning. That's what it looks like when you do the pruning. Throw the branches on the ground.